guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kitoko, and in this channel I share my love for natural hair, how you can grow your hair, different hairstyle and all that. Today is I look a little bit of a mess because it's wash day. So it's a dreaded wash day, but not for me because I know how to handle my hair and I can wash my hair now in pretty much, let's say, about 40 minutes or so, because I have a few techniques that I use and that I will share with you guys. And also I wanted to mention before we get started that I am gonna use my own products today. Well, like every day I pretty much use my own products, but my products are finally available for sale. They're available for sale on the website www.makasibeauty.com. The website is launching on November 1st this year, and those little cuties will be available for sale. Give it a try, let me know what you think, but I love it, otherwise I would not be selling it. And there is no parabens, silicone, phthalates or sulfates in my product, so it keeps your hair moisturized long term. That's what I really like about this formulation. And yeah, it's available for buy, and I'm so excited, guys, for you to try it. Try my babies, guys. They're so good. I'm gonna start by using coconut oil on my hair. Coconut oil I don't really use on the regular because I feel like it dries my hair out a little bit. But I love using it before I wash my hair, like a pre-poo little treatment, so that my hair doesn't absorb too much water during the wash and all this. And also it helps come through when my hair is wet. This one is from Sprouts, organic virgin coconut oil. So that's what we're gonna put on the hair. As usual, I'm gonna separate my hair in 4 sections. I always do that because it makes the detangling process easier. And I'm just gonna fast forward throughout the rest of the video. I mean, you don't need to see me washing my hair in details. If you really do want to see how I comb and detangle my hair, I will put the link to the previous video that I made for my wash day. That was very detailed. I was showing you how to comb your hair when it's wet, but for this video I'm just gonna fast forward. Hair is all covered with coconut oil, so now I'm just gonna go wash and detangle it. just gonna make some twists so I can rock a twist out tomorrow. And this is the final result. My hair is fluffy, curly, light, and still very moisturized. And I actually recorded this the other part after the website was launched, so the products are now available, and I will put the link in the description box if you are interested in trying this out. Let me know what you think of the products, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content and if you like this video. And I will see you next time. Bye.